guys, I am actually here at my dad's house. Also, by the way, that was my dad playing Call of Duty. He bought like that Xbox controller thing for the phone. I'm thinking about getting it. So if you guys are on the Call of Duty mobile, hit me up. It's VeL-E-VeL. I'll put it down right here. Today I'm going to be helping my dad install a few parts on his Jeep after this thing opens. There we go. On the baby. But we're gonna be fixing the gray ghost, is what my dad calls it. It used to be the green bandit because this thing was green, but it's not green no more. We painted it this. This is actually, a lot of people don't know, but this car is actually the car I first really learned how to drive. And if my dad allowed me to take the vehicle out when I was 16, this was the car. So it's been in the family for a couple of years. Well, you guys can't see me that way. Why is the brightness so... Today, we're probably gonna change like the steering wheel, some pedals, and also like this. Here, let me see if it's open. It is open. So we're definitely changing out this giant school bus of a steering wheel. Damn, this thing is huge. Like, it don't even fit in the... Let me zoom out. I did zoom out on the camera. This big ass steering wheel. This is the bus. I used to drive with this. Alright, so we're gonna change this crappy shifter thing out. And then you guys cannot see down there. But the pedals are boo-boo. So we're gonna... Me and my dad, what we plan to do... Let me back out. Ugh. So, did I just leave the keys in there? Alright, so what me and my dad plan to do is to actually do a father-son build with this Jeep. Make it look decent, make it look nice. Not going for like a show car thing, but at least decent. He just wants his daily that he takes to work and make it, just restore it, revamp it a little bit. So today I'm just probably gonna take off a few panels and stuff, but I am going to save that for another video. Today we're gonna do I'm gonna attempt to do steering wheel and a few things, but let's show you how these new wheels look on Panda, because these, dude, look, I'm gonna show you from right here, right? Ooh, oh my god, that fit me. Wait, hold on, let's go in the back real quick. Alright. I gotta like, whoa. I gotta like show you guys. Let me pull the car out just for a little bit and show you guys how this looks, because oh my god, this is amazing. Damn. These new wheels are fire. Jesus. I don't know what it is, but it made the car look completely different. What I like is that that two-step lip right there. Oh my god. At first I really wasn't about like the two-step lip. I wanted, just like how the rims were before, smooth, but it helps like complement the way how the lights are. Wow. Oh man, I gotta do some photos tonight with this. What I got is a 17-inch by 9s all the way around. I got 205/40 on the tires, so you can see that it definitely has like a, you see that poke or that stretch. Ooh, damn. So I'm definitely going to be like needing to get some spacers for the kit. I am thinking I'm probably gonna need like at least a 2.5 inch spacer for sure, because the kit's really huge. But this, and the way how the car's sitting for a phase 1, this is like phase 1 2.0 basically, and it's fucking amazing. I don't know what it is, but it makes my car look a lot bigger. The car didn't get any taller with the 17 inches. It's still the same height. Maybe I need to lower the rears a lot more. You see that gap? And I kind of want it down to about right here, because the fronts, look at the fronts. Oh my god. What the fuck? Look at that fitment, boy. That shit nice. Oh, dude. I hadn't even got to clean these yet because they're starting to get a little dirty for today. Don't like that. So what I want to do, oh, I punched the camera. So what I want to do is actually clean the car, but I'm going to wait to clean the car, and we're gonna start working on the gray ghost here. I need more light. Obviously, can't really film or do anything in there. So what I'm gonna do is pull the Jeep out and yeah. But check this shit out though. Before I do that, check this shit out one more time. Oh my god, just like right here. Look. Should that be the thumbnail? Oh, bro, that is fire. I just like nut my pants right now. Alright. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around. It is a 93 Jeep Cherokee 4x4 Sport. It's a limited edition. We had to order the fifth wheel. I'm gonna have to like shine these up eventually. My dad wants to keep them. That fitment, look at that fitment, not good at all. But my dad wants to keep it similar to how Panda is. So what we're gonna do is like add some spacers, lower it, or my dad's actually thinking about bagging it, and I would eventually want to bag this once the kid is on. I'm not sure yet, but bagging this, I think it will look pretty cool. We just gotta bring it back to life, because it's missing parts like that, you know, strip mold. We're not so much worried about the outside of the car. My dad's just more worried about the interior. See, but that really nasty dent. It's an easy fix. My dad knows some people, and that would be fixed right away. But everything works perfectly fine. It just got crunched in from the outside, so none of the hinges and stuff got damaged. It's just right here. So fortunately, I'm not gonna fix that. There is no way. Today's mission is to change 3 things: steering wheel, that shifter, these pedals. Okay, because that is trash. Eventually we're gonna get like some new seats, some like bucket seats and everything, so you guys will definitely see this car, or I don't want to say call it a car, but I'll say this Jeep will be on the channel a lot more. Man, it's been so long since I've been in this car. Damn, but it's funny because it's just like how it was when I first learned how to drive. Like, of course, like everything was still kind of like new back then, but Jesus, everything's the same. Like old-fashioned radio with the cassette. Dad, man, you need to upgrade, bruh. I did this for him for his birthday years ago, but I'm gonna make this look better. I actually got this, something similar to what Panda has, so we're gonna replace it with this. We might have to buy like a new boot. If not, I'm gonna have to tuck it in more, because back then I wasn't that experienced, but now since I know how to work on cars a little bit better, should be no problem. New carpet. I just mean like this thing, even the panels and stuff, I'm gonna be taking this off, redoing everything myself. My dad will be helping in the process. Sorry guys, I'm a little fatigued and I'm losing my voice. That's what we're doing with the gray ghost. We're trying to bring the gray ghost back. If you guys want to see that, please destroy the like button, or you guys don't have to destroy it. Please smash that like button if you guys want to see this Jeep come back to life, and the things that me and my dad will do to it. Please subscribe, and you guys will definitely see more of that content on this channel, especially since we're quarantined. I mean, being here at my dad's house is not much. It's only, that's it. So we're not around anybody, and I can actually work on the garage. I think I should start with the pedals and this before I mess with this. I'm trying to make everything work properly before he has to go to work again. Even I work, so we're both working during this hard time, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Quarantine time's making time for us to work on this Jeep a lot easier. Unfortunately, he's inside playing Call of Duty and not helping me right now, so I'm by myself. Okay, you guys. My dad is not camera shy at all. It's just once he's locked into something, he's kind of like me. We stick to it to the end. He's playing Call of Duty. I have to go get my dad. He's playing Call of Duty. Let me stop. We didn't pick up anything special. We just went to Pep Boys, got in these pedals. I'm just gonna drill them onto the original pedal. What else we got up here? You guys already saw the shifter, and we're gonna put this steering wheel on, something a little bit nicer to the color scheme that we're doing to the inside of the interior. I'm gonna take this off and see how well I could attach this on there. If not, then I have to go back and grab the attachment, like hub pieces for it to fit onto the Jeep. I personally don't think it needs that because it already has those pieces, but if so, then we gotta hurry back to Pep Boys before they close. So just guys give me a minute, and I'm gonna take this out of this box and get it started. Okay guys, I got it off. I want to compare it to my steering wheel and see how much smaller it is. It's actually bigger than mine, just by like an inch or so. About the Jeep, it has a lot of space. Set the camera down. Damn, this is a lot smaller. Whoa. It fits inside. It actually fits inside the original steering wheel, so that's how much smaller it is. We should just leave it like that and be like, Dad, I'm done. But you guys see how that setup is? It doesn't look too different from like this. So I'm gonna probably do this last because I don't want to scratch the chrome and everything to it, so it should be fairly easy. Before we get into this, I'm really want to put these two together, so let's do that right now. Okay, after a whole damn hour of looking for this thing, there's a little Allen. You guys can't see from there, but let's pray this is the size. Perfect. Perfect. Gonna come off. There we go, boo boo. Oh yeah. Now what we're gonna do is just put this on. It doesn't want to autofocus, so I have to manually focus. So we're gonna put this one on. It's gonna look a lot better than this weird Fight Club looking one. This is better. So it was actually a lot easier as well. Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do is probably do some drilling. So it is a new day, and the drilling like crazy for the shifter. I made it really thin. See, now my finger fits through. It lost so much, look at all the shavings. Yeah, I'll be cleaning that up in a bit, but let's test fit it right now and see how it looks. Let's see. Woo! That's what we need right there, boy. I do recommend you guys get that drill bit because it made everything perfectly smooth all the way around. Sucks with one hand. Powered it all the way through, and I just kept grinding until I got the size I want. Now, when I put this through, and we connect the new shifter, it hits this button right here, unlocks it from park, and it worked just like a stick shift without really having a stick shift. Whatever the case, it'll look cooler and nicer for the Jeep. Since my dad's gonna be still drives it to work, I thought it'd be cool to change this up, the steering wheel and hopefully the pedals today. I don't know how far I'm gonna get in this video, so yeah, I really don't know how far I'm gonna go in this video, but the goal right now is to get that shifter on. Once we complete that, we'll see what else we'll do with the rest of the car and go from there. So what I'm gonna do is reassemble this shifter back together. This little notch is what's gonna help the shifter work, so I have to reassemble it, and I will do that for you guys. This is the shifter with a spring inside, so what I'll do is the spring sits on top of this bottom screw rehooks onto this notch and it pinches it closed, and then the spring allows it to move up and down on there, so that will be the new release for the shifter instead of a button release. So let's get this back together. Now, as you guys can see, the shifter is in. That looks pretty dope. We will get probably like a rubber boot. It'll just look a lot better for this interior setup. But we're just gonna keep this boot here temporarily, but this just makes life a lot easier. And it's just really easy to like get into gear without having like to push this big ugly button or that crappy wherever I did with it, that crappy shifter that was on there. So this looks nicer, and yeah, a lot of people think it's stick, but it's not, and it's just easier. It's just less to think about. If you're a real driver, you should know where your park, reverse, and everything's at by feel, because most of the time once you're driving, you don't ever think to look down. But it looks pretty dope. I like it. Alright, you guys, that actually didn't take too long. All I did was put a screw straight through the design for the pedal, because as you guys saw, the pedal before, it had this big giant hole. So what I did, so there's the screw, and then I put this long bracket right here, this thing I'm touching, to hold it stronger. So that was easy. And then for the pedal, the gas pedal, I just put one straight through here, one here. I kind of off center it so it doesn't like overlap with this pedal, because the Jeep actually designed its pedals weird. So I kind of off center it so he has more meat on this side of the car, and when he pushes it, it stays on, it doesn't move, doesn't wiggle. So it actually is pretty dope. Now if the carpet was black, I think it'll set it off. This was supposed to be like a father-son project, but it looks like the son's doing all the project. So that's how my dad's doing me, because he wants to play Call of Duty. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, it's been a minute. As you can see, it's starting to get like darker. My dad wants me to go play Call of Duty, like legit. Or seriously, my dad wants me to play Call of Duty, like for real. Seriously, everything's closed. Like I can't go to Pep Boys or AutoZone to get the puller for this. AutoZone in this area is pretty far, so the Pep Boys is like down the street, and they close at 5 today. Today is actually Sunday. I'm going to save this project for next Saturday, and we are supposed to like legit rip everything out of this car, but we're gonna put a pause here. I'm sorry for that, you guys. Right now I'm just very fatigued. I'm out of it. I've been working and coming home, editing, and so much stuff. I do love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. If you guys like what I did for my dad here, and the shifter is nice though. It's like it's all black. I'm actually liking it. If anything, you guys please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys like what I did for my dad here, just trying to help him restore his favorite car. We got a lot of work to do in this thing. You guys stay good, be safe, wear your mask outside. The quarantine is killing us right now. You guys have a good day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.